Each time a huge cruise ship enters the Venetian lagoon, it leaves a lasting impression. These ships, like ancient leviathans, tower over the domes and buildings, giving the city an almost apocalyptic look. However, despite their visual appeal, these monsters pose the greatest threat to Venice. Today, it is one of the most polluted ports in Europe, with about 500 cruise ships docking each year. Why? The city's architectural heritage, built between the 10th and 14th centuries, was never meant to coexist with massive multi-story ships. The shallow lagoon and every maneuver by these ships near the city create waves that erode the building foundations,